Hello and welcome to another video from Miniature Tanks Company. We will be working with the Turán I. I think it's pronounced Turán, Hungarian tank. So I'm separating the parts here. This one requires a sprue cut. Do that. And then here's this. Cut. And there's this one. And now let's take cut the support plastic from under that, and the support plastic from under that. There you go. You can sand this down if you wish. That kit was pretty simple for that process. So now, it's always a good idea to test fit these pieces to make sure. Alright, so the first step is let's glue together these two pieces and take and put this together like that. Okay, see how that went down? Whoops, I'll let that happen. We press firmly down it. So see the front and the back. So there's those two pieces glued together, and that's the way they should go. Now it's pretty simple. We just need to glue on these sides now. So essentially, just take some glue, or like that, or like that. Some glue there. There you go. And then take this, make it line up with everything. Okay. And then let's do the other side, of course. Like that. There you go. So it's coming together. And now let's take and put this piece on. It's easy to put on. Just dab some glue like that. And then let's put this piece on like that. Notice how the grill or the vent or whatever is on the left side of the tank. And then there's this piece. Goes on like that. So simply put some glue down there and some glue down like that. And then put this piece like that. Try to get it centered and such. Next, put some glue down like this. There you go. There's the shirt. And now it's these. You want to go like this. Have it go like this. So essentially, just take some glue, put it along these edges there. Then, just like that. There you go. Now let's do the other side. Press firmly, put the turret in, and there you have it. The Turán I with the side-spaced armor from Miniature Tanks Company, available at miniaturetanks.com. Thank you so much for watching.